Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best LEGO sports sets is probably one of the most exciting ways to combine the thrill of sports with the joy of building. These sets offer a fantastic opportunity for enthusiasts of all ages to create dynamic scenes and engage with their favorite sports in a whole new way. Whether you're a seasoned builder or just starting out, LEGO sports sets provide a unique and engaging experience that sparks creativity and fun. Number 5. LEGO Chevrolet Corvette C8. A race car and 1969 Corvette. This LEGO Speed Champion set is perfect for kids and car enthusiasts. It brings the excitement of the racetrack right to your home. Inside, you'll find everything you need to build a replica of the 2020 Chevrolet Corvette C8. A race car and the classic 1969 Chevrolet Corvette. The set also includes 2 driver minifigures. Kids and adults can explore the details of these real-life Corvettes as they build. Then, they can show them off or stage their own Speed Champions races. This 512-piece LEGO set makes a great gift for children aged 8 and up, and for anyone who loves high-performance automobiles. It's a fantastic present for any occasion. These collectible toy racing cars are the perfect size for play at home or on the go. The Corvette C8 measures over 1.5 inches high, 6.5 inches long, and 2.5 inches wide. No batteries are needed, just your imagination. What we like. This set offers a fantastic opportunity to build and display 2 iconic Corvette models. It includes 2 driver minifigures, allowing for immediate play and imaginative racing scenarios. If you are looking for a gift for car enthusiasts or kids who love racing, this set is perfect. It provides a blend of building fun and exciting play. What people say. Great set, but lots of stickers. Challenging and fun build. Really like the detail on both cars. The 69 Corvette is the star of this 2-pack. They don't look much like Legos. They look more like the model cars you have to glue together. Number 4. LEGO Technic Bugatti Chiron 42083. This is the perfect gift for car lovers and future engineers. Build and experience this quintessential collectible sports car. It's a faithful recreation of the real car. Developed in partnership with Bugatti Automobiles SAS, this advanced model car features a classic duotone blue color scheme. It's a great addition to any adult or teen's car collection. This 1:8 scale model includes an active rear wing, an 8-speed gearbox, and a W16 engine. The steering wheel, suspension, and spoked rims add to the realistic feel. With 35.99 pieces, this set offers a challenging and rewarding build. The luxurious box packaging includes a collector's booklet, making it a great display piece. This LEGO Technic Bugatti Chiron model can be built with all LEGO Technic sets and LEGO bricks. This allows for creative construction and extended play. The model car measures over 5 inches high, 22 inches long, and 9 inches wide. It's a substantial and impressive model. What we like. This set is a masterpiece of engineering, offering an incredibly detailed replica of the Bugatti Chiron. It features an active rear wing, an 8-speed gearbox, and a W16 engine. If you are a car lover or an aspiring engineer, this set is a must-have. It's a rewarding build and a stunning display piece. What people say. Though expensive, the LEGO Bugatti is a joy and experience to craft and build. If this duplicates automotive engineering, then both the car and LEGO designers are pure geniuses, and you learn to respect the design as you build. Without spoiling too much, there are 2 manuals to building this beast. My favorite parts to build were the engine, vastly complex transmission, and gearbox, and the way these all fit together seamlessly will blow your mind if you're into design and engineering at all. Number 3. LEGO City Sports Car 60285 Building Kit. Get ready to experience the thrill of LEGO City with this awesome sports car. It's designed for kids aged 5 and up, offering an exciting entry into the world of LEGO City. This set includes everything you need to build a sleek sports car. It features a detailed cockpit, sporty rims, and an adjustable rear spoiler. It's a perfect vehicle for imaginative play. The sports car boasts eye-catching bodywork and ground-gripping tires. There's even room for the included driver minifigure behind the steering wheel. This car is all about speed and style. Looking for a great gift? This LEGO City sports car is perfect for birthdays or any special occasion. It's a fun and engaging building experience that kids will love. Once built, the sports car is compact but impressive. It measures over 1.5 inches high, 4.5 inches long, and 2 inches wide. It's the perfect size for exciting adventures. What we like. This set is a great introduction to the world of LEGO City with its impressive sports car design. It's easy to build and perfect for imaginative role play. If you have a young child who loves cars and creative play, this set will provide hours of fun. It's a great way to spark their imagination. What people say. Had fun assembling the car. Great detail and fun to play with. It is a well-made toy, instructions were easy, and it did not take him long to assemble it. A nice blue sports car that displays nicely with the other LEGO cars. Really simple build, so this is a great gift to a younger LEGO builder. Number 2. LEGO Friends Sports Center 41744 Building Toy Set. This LEGO set lets kids explore basketball, football, and tennis. It's a fun way for them to build and play with different sports. The set comes with 4 mini dolls, Nico, Leo, Ivana, and Hannah. There are also lots of accessories for sports practice. It's designed for kids aged 8 and up. Kids can build the sports center and play different sports. They can transform the soccer field into a tennis or basketball court. It encourages creative play. The accessories include a music box, first aid kit, and trophies. There are also water bottles, cards, and different sized balls. It provides everything needed for fun. This buildable playset is a great gift for kids who love sports. It's perfect for those who enjoy friendship role play. They will have hours of fun. The sports center measures over 8 inches high, 10.5 inches wide, and 6.5 inches deep. It's sized just right for young builders. They can easily manage it. The LEGO Builder app offers intuitive instructions. Builders can zoom in and rotate models in 3D. They can track their progress and save sets. What we like. This set allows kids to explore a variety of sports with its multiple play options. It includes mini dolls and a wide array of accessories. If you like sports and enjoy role-playing, this set is ideal. It encourages social interaction and creative storytelling. What people say. Lots of details that made it really fun to build and play with. Lots of features that make this set fun to play with. Great 3-story set for a kid at a great price. Has hidden features. Number 1. LEGO Icons of Play Soccer Toy 40634. Get ready to build a soccer stadium with this LEGO set. It's perfect for kids and adult fans who love the sport. This set brings the excitement of soccer right to your home. This set includes 15 LEGO minifigures, ready for action. It encourages social play, allowing you to recreate your favorite soccer moments. You can even emulate your soccer idols. Experience the thrill of the game with a movable goalie and a 1 versus 1 player function. This feature makes the set even more interactive and fun. It's designed for endless hours of play. The set includes a half soccer field, a goal, and a VR station. It's designed to look great on display when you're finished playing. It's a fantastic addition to any LEGO collection. This LEGO set makes a great gift for soccer fans aged 10 and up. It's a fun and engaging way to celebrate the sport. It's a gift that will be cherished by any soccer enthusiast. What we like. This set brings the excitement of soccer to life with a playable indoor field and 15 minifigures. It features a movable goalie and a 1 versus 1 player function. If you are a soccer fan or looking for a set that encourages social play, this is the perfect choice. It allows them to emulate their idols and enjoy the thrill of the game. What people say. Really different than the typical sets. Super fun. It was a soccer player's delight to put together and play with. The whole set was not difficult, and the value of it was rather justified. It's also a good thing they got to work with actual players known for their talent, so the set truly felt like a scene made for the players to interact. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.